everyone, this is Lara from Gundam. Today I'd like to introduce this SHANTUI brand SG19-B6 model motor glider. Hello, look at this big meter. It operates with about 16 tons. And if with the front blinder and the rear rotor, it operates with about 18 tons. The hour outlines is 9,300 millimeters. If with the front blind and rear rotor, the total length is 11,100 millimeters. The height is 3,400 millimeters, and the width is 2,600 millimeters. We can see this is its energy, a farmer's brand Cummins energy. It uses Cummins energy, provides excellent power output, meets the China 2 emission standard, and typically has a power output of 153 kilowatts. Next, we can see this is his cab, comfortable cab. The cab has comfortable seats, provides a panoramic view, eliminates blind spots, and improving safety. The overall noise level is kept below 18 decibels, creating a quiet working environment. We can see its important moldboard. The moldboard height about 620 millimeters and its thickness about 20 millimeters. The max cutting depth about 970 millimeters and its max lifting height about 480 millimeters. Of course, you can choose your preferred attachment, such as front blinder and rear rotor. The rear rotor reaping depth about 380 millimeters. The working width about 218 millimeters.